Nestled in the Sierra Nevada range, Lake Tahoe is the second deepest lake in America at a depth of 500 meters. In the local Washington language, it simply means a lake. It is a mispronunciation of the word Da'ao. 100 years ago, it had a visibility of 103 feet. Now it is reduced to 67 feet. The volume of its water is such that if an acre-wide cylinder was made, it would be filled up to 23,000 miles high. That is 3 times the Earth's diameter. As serene and tranquil the lake appears to be, it could have strong gales and avalanches that could set off waves 100 feet high. Back in the 1870s, when the stagecoach king Ben Holiday built a castle on the island and hired retired British Captain Richard Barter was the only full-time year-round resident of Tahoe. Maybe that is why he was known as the Hermit of Tahoe. For food, he would have to row 16 miles to Tahoe City or to the South Shore. And in one such foray, he had his boat capsized and he barely made it home. Frostbitten, he cut off his toes to survive and spent 11 weeks in his cottage to recover. With such a close brush with death, he built his own tomb on the island and let it be known that he wanted to be buried there. He never got his wish, as in the next storm, 3 years later, he perished without a trace. He often used to sit by a waterfall called Eagle's Waterfall for inspiration. Now all that is left of him is a peak named after him called Dick's Peak, which overlooks the Emerald Bay.